Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to enable enter key to send message on WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to send your WhatsApp message by just pressing enter key, then you need to open WhatsApp app. Now here you need to press on three dots. Now press on settings. Now here press on chats. Now here in chat settings, you need to enable enter key will send your message. Now I will send a message. Now here you can see my enter key is turned into the send button. So I will press on this button and my message is sent. So friends, like this you can very easily enable enter key to send message in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.